So I just cut these. I'm gonna have to remember how I did it on the other side. These are shorter. And I believe I removed the bottom boards on all of these before, because like you can see the one at the end, it has like little legs, little posts, and that goes down into the dirt to stabilize them. I'm actually gonna pull all of these up and reset them just to realign, because they've just over time aged and twisted and torqued, and so I'm gonna reset those. But I got these all cut just now. And then I'll have to cut the ends off of this one because it's a little long, hangs over. That one's a wider bed, but had to leave room for the gate. So progress, making progress. Oh, and this root, check out this root. So there used to be a little tree here. It was, I can't remember what kind of tree it was, but it was more of an annoying tree than a beautiful tree. But the root, the base of it is still there, but we started digging and I came across the root, and look at that. I want to see if I can somehow dislodge it, but this bottom root, this one right here, this one goes deep into the ground, and then this one continues off deep, so I'm gonna have to probably hack it. But I want to dig up as much as I can before I hack it. I've got this one, you can't really tell, it's slightly mobile. I don't know, let me see how much I can get of it. Otherwise it's super cool looking, right? Oh, look at that. So cool. Goes all the way out. Yay! Cut some pallets in half, removing some bottom boards, replacing some boards that need to be replaced with the good ones. And I just can't tell you how cathartic this right here is. Just. Woo! Yeah, feels good. Fresh board gonna go on. Been sawing, hammering, breaking up. Oh, so good. Skies are getting a little bit gray. I think rain is coming. It's supposed to be partly cloudy, possible rains the next couple of days, and then rain Saturday. So I'm trying to get this done so they're all planted and the rain comes and makes them all grow. I still gotta do this one. It's good work though. Got the dirty hands going. Not quite as much as yesterday, but getting there. Ah, this fucking root is so cool. I wish I could. I want to dig it out. I want to dig it out. It's so neat. I don't know. We'll see.